Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, checking out my video. I'm just here with my daughter and we are going to unwrap some Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Woo! Alright, so we got the Valentine's one and we got two of the ones from Black Friday.
The premium ones.
Yeah, the smaller premium boxes. And then we've got the Valentine's Day deluxe box, which I think that's the one we're going to open first. Right? Alright. So this one was $75 US. I'm in Canada, so it was definitely more money. But I gotta say, it came in a week.
Yeah.
Which is crazy because I order from Jeffree Star all the time, and it takes about a month to get to Canada.
Yeah, but the only thing we don't know is like there was some glitching going on. Like it was like automatically saying that you had to pay for the fast shipping. So shipping was like $30.
Yeah, shipping was $30.
So we don't know if we got like the fast shipping or regular shipping. We're not sure.
Yeah.
Because there was no other option.
Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this. So as you can see, it comes in this beautiful Jeffree Star question mark box. Super fun and festive for Valentine's Day. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me just get my knife. Alright. Ooh, okay, so we have pink tissue paper. So exciting. So let's see.
Oh, it sounds good. So there's supposed to be what, 8 items in here?
I think there's supposed to be 8 with like a clothing item.
Yeah, and an exclusive. We saw
exclusive item.
Getting some pop.
Alright, so let's open this up. So the box looks like this.
Oh my God.
So in here we have, okay, I don't even know where to begin.
Just pull it with pop. So I guess we have a pop socket.
First up,
and a red one.
Socket. And those, I would say, retail for about $15.
Yeah.
So $15 for that.
15 Canadian at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Next up, we have a Skin Frost, and this one is in the shade Regina George, which I actually already have, so I'll probably have to give that to my daughter.
Yay!
But that's okay.
I can't open them.
So those are $29.
And give it a swatch.
We'll swatch it for you because I already have it. So.
Maybe you can go on me and pretty pale.
I think my nail like dug into it. I mean, it's pretty pink.
Yeah, it's, well, I mean, I like pink.
I don't know if you can see that. I use this for blush, and I bought it because I bought it when it came out, whenever that was. But I bought it because, yeah, it's Mean Girls.
It's Regina George.
Iconic.
Like, it's...
Yeah, and you can use it. I've used it, tapped it over some liquid lips. You can use it as eyeshadow.
I've mixed it with Lavender Snow.
Oh,
I
yeah,
know that was really pretty. So.
Alright, next up we have a Supreme Frost. Yay! And this is in the shade Frozen Peach. And I have Wet Dream, and you guys, God. Go to my Instagram and check out my highlighter. It is the craziest highlighter
I love
ever.
it. I steal a lot.
So this is what it looks like. It's Frozen Peach, and we are going to...
I love the packaging.
Yeah, the packaging is sick.
Oh my God.
So that's what it looks like.
Even the imprint on the highlighter, like with the star and all the mini stars, it's just...
So let's swatch it on you, because you're later than me.
Oh wow.
So it's pretty...
It's a more subtle highlight, which is good, because Jeffree loves highlights, so he does go a little crazy, and some people like the more subtle.
So
I mean, let me tell you, I like a good highlight, but not everyone does.
Okay, so this one retails for $32. Alright, next up we have Self-Control in the liquid lipstick. These retail for $18. I don't have this one, so this is exciting. And I know this was from the Valentine's Day collection last year, so that's what that looks like. And we'll do a swatch. It's really pretty. It's kind of like Deceased, like similar.
It's kind of like a darker Scandal.
Yeah, maybe a darker Scandal.
But there it is. And remember, these are all eye safe too, so eyeliner, all that.
Yeah. And those are 18. Okay, next up we have, oh, this is kind of a crazy one. But I think I could use it for eyeliner. This is Crocodile Tears in the Velour liquid lipstick. Again, these are $18. Let's do a swatch of this.
Oh my god. Oh. I
mean,
kind of like it. It's kind of an army green. Like it could be fun to some cool looks.
Yeah, you can do some cool looks with it for sure. I mean, I don't have it. I think I have 42 Jeffree Star liquid lipstick somewhere around there, and I don't have these two, so I'm like, that's good. You know, to get stuff that
you're getting stuff you don't.
Yeah, that I don't have. All right, next up actually is one that I've like been run out of for a while, and I'm so excited to get this in here. So this is Doll Parts.
So cute.
This is one of my favorite colors. It's such a great color. It looks good on like every skin tone.
Oh wow. I'm really pale and that looks really good.
Yeah, it's so pretty. So I love Doll Parts, so I'm excited to get that. And again, $18. All right, next up we have a lip ammunition.
Oh, I love them. They look
This is in the shade Gargoyle.
What collection is that from?
This was the sparkly one. I want to say this was Christmas last year. That's what the bullet looks like. And then, oh my god. That is gray.
Yeah.
Like, that is gray. Let's swatch it.
Oh wait, it kind of looks a little brown.
It's kind of brown on you because you're so fair.
There's Gargoyle.
Again, kind of a fun one. I mean, I wouldn't order that, but it's cool to get it in a box. And I don't have it. And those retail for $18. Next up, we have a lip liner, and I'm so excited. I actually don't have any of these yet, and this is in the shade Dominatrix.
And these retail for $16.
Yeah.
These are all US dollars too.
I was just gonna say that. Nope. It's stuck in the box.
Now the packaging on these are just...
Oh, I got it.
Oh my god, the packaging is gorgeous.
So this is what the liquid liners look like. That is gorgeous.
That's so pretty.
I haven't seen this in person yet. Wow. Okay.
It's a little brown, but you could probably use it for a lot of things.
Oh, it's really smooth and creamy.
Yeah,
really,
that felt nice.
And that's like a darker brown.
And there it is.
So that one is Dominatrix. And last thing in this box is
limited.
We got
edition.
A t-shirt, and this was limited edition with if you purchase this box.
Yeah, this color's not out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Jeffree he just gave us a sneak peek on the tracksuits.
Can't relate. I just can't relate. Anyways, I'm gonna DIY this shirt. I got it bigger so that what I want to do is like cut the neck out. I'm gonna like chop it up and make it really cute because I think you could wear it this way too if you didn't want it to be so patterned on the front.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna DIY this. So that's kind of it for the Valentine's Day box. My hubby bought it for me, so thanks, boo.
Happy Valentine's Day.
And I think it's amazing value. I think for $75, like you're getting, I mean, just the liquid lipsticks alone is like almost $80.
Yeah.
So the value's amazing. I don't know, people love to complain, and
you know that going in, like Jeffree is not a normal brand.
Yeah.
He makes crazy colors, he does crazy things, and that's Jeffree Star. And if you know him, you know that about him.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a big fan. I've literally been there since the first lipstick. I have so much Jeffree Star, and I'm just excited to be able to add that stuff to my collection. We're gonna do the like Black Friday, Christmas
premium ones,
boxes.
These were $30 US.
Yeah, these ones are 30. And these ones took over like a month to get here. Yeah, they got here like just before Christmas. So I got one for my daughter for Christmas, one for me for Christmas.
We opened them. I knew she got them because she
we opened them. I actually have left mine in the box, so mine's just been in here. We have opened them, but we just thought that you guys would want to see another mystery box while we're doing the Valentine's one.
Yeah, we know it's a little late, but we might as well. We'll just show you. We'll just show you. So, here's mine. Tissue, probably good stuff.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Now, I think to be correct, we did get the same box.
We got the same box.
There was a lot of stuff behind the boxes, and then
there was a lot of controversy. I mean, I don't care. I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $30.
And like, I don't have any Jeffree Star, so this is all great to me. Like, I don't have a lot of it, and I know she does, but like, I don't really use, not that super into makeup, but I love Jeffree, so this is amazing. The best Christmas present ever.
Yeah, and really these were a steal. I just think if any of these boxes ever come back, like I think get them unless you're so particular about
your
what
colors,
you want.
yeah.
Like get it because it's a value. You're saving money for sure. If you're a Jeffree fan, then like you're gonna love it.
This box is supposed to be I think 120
Yeah.
value. So
should we go through it?
Yeah.
So
I've already opened all my stuff.
we got another pop socket.
This is the black and pink one, which I like better than the red one. I just think this one goes with more cases, so you know.
I was gonna put it on my phone, but I was like, I'll leave it in the box. And then we've got a Skin Frost.
And let me tell you, these are huge. Like, I've never held one of these, but they are so big.
They are big.
Here, we can.
You want to show them yours? So this is mint condition.
Now, it looks very Tiffany blue, but it actually shows up really nice. I'm really pale, so it shows up really nice on me, not as green as it looks.
Yeah, should I swatch
you can
it?
do a swatch.
Sure. I still have Regina George. I can just do it on me.
Okay. And like, they're so pigmented.
They're crazy pigmented. This is gorgeous with if you have the Alien palette. Oh my god, mix this in with some of the greens in there. It's stunning and they're so soft and buttery.
Yeah,
and
they're beautiful.
They're beautiful and you can do it really light. Like this will actually blend out really pretty. I just think like don't be scared. Do you know what I mean? Like that is so pretty
like,
blended out.
I wore it to school and I got tons of compliments on my highlight. So
they thought our highlight was on Lily.
And then we got a velour lipstick in the shade Can't Relate, which I got her for Christmas.
Yeah.
I got her 2 Jeffree Star holiday collection liquid lipsticks.
Now we have 3. So, and you guys, this is the most perfect shade of nude. So
it's gorgeous.
Jeffree Star, I'm Nude, and Mannequin are like the best nudes ever. This is literally a combination of both of those. It is the perfect nude. I'm so happy I have 3 because like I'm gonna use them all and it's limited edition. I think it's still available, but here,
it's the holiday collection 2018. The packaging is gorgeous.
So that's what it looks like.
I don't know what the packaging, lots of the packaging just to show up on camera, but it's like a glittery gold with white. It's so pretty. We absolutely love that.
And you're wearing Can't Relate, aren't you?
I'm wearing Can't Relate on my lips right now.
She's wearing Can't Relate.
Because we actually have it we have the Jeffree Star stands, the velour liquid lipstick stands, so we have them over there and she has it on.
I don't have it on.
No, like we have it on the stand.
Oh, yeah. I have Skin Tight, a little bit of Christmas Cookie, and then Jouer lip topper on right now.
So the next one we got is a velour liquid lipstick in the shade I'm Royalty, which funny story.
I'm Royalty.
We actually have
funny story.
3 of these too.
We have 3 of those.
Yeah, we were part of the glitch where you got to pick a lipstick and the first like 500 people. It was actually supposed to be a free lipstick with the fashion items, but his website was glitching up, so we ended up getting 2 free lipsticks because we purchased 2 boxes.
Yeah.
And he like did follow them through, so.
Yeah, so it was funny because there was like there was maybe 6 lipsticks I think to choose from, and I chose the 2 colors that are in our boxes.
Yeah.
So like, why didn't I choose the other colors?
I know.
Anyways, we are going to be giving away an I'm Royalty and the next color to somebody in this video. And this is a swatch of I'm Royalty.
It's a really pretty, like, deep purple, like, and for eyeliner, Halloween.
Oh, so
like,
pretty.
So,
Again, with the Alien palette, use this as a liquid liner.
and it's so
pretty.
pigmented. Like, you can get any look you want with these, you know?
Yeah.
If you're going for a pastel look, use it as eyeliner, like, this one is in the shade
Next up, we got
Flamethrower.
Flamethrower.
Which she picked that because she thought it'd be a nice orangey kind of summer color. So it's funny that we got it. This one.
So we have 3 of these too.
This one kind of looks like Anna Nicole a bit.
It's a little bit more orangey, but yeah, similar color.
So we have 2 of those unopened, brand new. So we will be giving those away because, again, we have, I think, 3.
Yeah, so stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll tell you how you can win 2 of your own Jeffree Star lipsticks. Are already boxed up, and yeah.
And then we also got a lip ammunition that looks like a bullet
They're so cute.
Baby Spice.
Baby Spice.
Which is a very
I actually
bright
forgot about this one. Oh, this would be pretty on you. These are like, they're full pigment. These are so nice. If you just prefer a lipstick as a liquid lip, the lip ammos are really, really, really nice. I like them a lot.
So I mean, I think if we added up these boxes, that's like 18 times 3 plus 29 and
plus
15.
like 15 for the pop socket.
It's a good value. I mean, I love Jeffree and I don't really have a lot of this stuff, so I think this is a really good way for me to like kind of get some of it. And if you want to try out some of his products, but you don't really want to pull the ship on a whole bunch of them, this is a really good one to do.
Yeah, I mean, this box was $30, and the highlighter is $29.
Yeah, and like I know the boxes that
It's
just
kind
came
of
out.
a no-brainer.
The premium ones that just came out, we came out with the deluxe and the premium. Deluxe was $75 and the premium was $40, but it's still a really good value. So
Yeah, I think that you can never go wrong. And you know, I know there's always a lot of hate. I've watched a ton of videos, and I just think if you're a fan and you love Jeffree Star, then his colors are not perfect. It's a mystery box. It's not like you're on the website picking out like mannequin and I'm nude and all that. Like, it is literally a mystery box. People love to complain. At the end of the day, you're getting a good deal. Like, you're getting a good value.
And you know what you're going into. Like, it's a mystery box. You don't know what you're going to get. Yeah. So you can't really be complaining about it.
Beggars can't be choosers. Well, not that you're beggar, but like you're paying like half price.
Yeah.
So, anywho, so now we will let you guys know how to enter. We're going to give away I'm Royalty, Flamethrower, and the red limited edition pop socket.
You can't even purchase it, so.
Yeah. So it's already packaged in cute little alien wrapping paper. So to win, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section. Can't relate. I feel like that's good. You can follow us both on Instagram. We'll put the links down below. But to enter, just subscribe.
Just subscribe and comment.
Yeah. And I've totally been slacking on YouTube, and I've just finished setting up like a whole studio, so I'm going to be filming a ton more videos.
Well, and we have the Jeffree Star times Morphe brush set coming.
They're literally coming. Like, I wish they would show up right now because we're all set up. The room's trash, and yeah, it'd be a good time. But we have a bit of a nice room going on. Anyways, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with us today, and we will see you soon.